This is Tier 1 Lesson 7, Sum and Difference of Cubes. So this is a lot of setup. If we have the sum of two perfect cubes, a cubed and b cubed, we can factor it into this form. So we could say that this is equal to a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. This is a form. If we have a difference of perfect cubes, same thing but minus instead of plus, then we can factor it into a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Look how they're almost exactly the same except for the signs. So we can remember the signs with the acronym SOAP. So that SOAP stands for same, opposite, and then always positive. So if you look at this one, it was a cubed plus b cubed. So it factored into plus, which is the same sign, and then minus, which is the opposite sign, and then always positive. If I use SOAP on this one, it was minus. So then minus is down here, same, opposite, always positive. Okay, that's what SOAP does. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a and b by taking the cube root of each. Okay, well 27 breaks into 3 times 9 and 3 times 3. So this is 3 cubed and the cube root of that, so we just get 3. Right? So a is going to be 3x, right? If you think about it, 3x cubed is going to be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, and x times x times x is x cubed. We do the same thing with 64. I'm going to break it down smart and say 4 times 16, and 16 is 4 and 4. So that's where you can see that this b term is going to be 4y, right? 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Y times y times y is y cubed. So there's my a and my b. And this is positive, so this is a sum of two perfect cubes. So when I go to put it in my form, I use this one. So when I go to write it, I have a, 3x, and b, 4y. Same, right, from SOAP, same, so plus. Then I have a squared, so 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. And then our middle term is opposite sign, so it was plus, so now it's going to be minus. Then in my form, a times b, so 3x times 4y. 3 times 4 is 12. X times y is xy. And then my last sign is always positive, so plus b squared, right? So 4 times 4 is 16. Y times y is y squared. I know this is going to be tough for a little bit, and we can check our answer in our little table. So let's multiply it back out. 3 times 9 is 27. X times x squared is x to the third. 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. X times x is x squared. And there's a y. 3 times 16 is 48. And then we have an x and y squared. 4 times 9 is 36. We have an x squared and a y. 4 times negative 12 is negative 48. We have x and y times y for y squared. And 4 times 16 is 64. Y times y squared is y cubed. And now you'll see the cancellations. Negative 36 and 36 will cancel. Negative 48 and 48 will cancel. And those are like terms because of the x squared y and the xy squared. So we're just left with 27x cubed plus 64y cubed, okay, which is what we started with.